Hi, my name is Samay. I'm in third grade and I'm 8 years old. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked around and thought, hey, that looks like math? No? Well, you're not alone. Even I used to think math only lived inside my notebook, full of numbers, symbols, and homework problems that never end. But guess what? I learned something amazing. Math is everywhere. Let's start with nature, my favorite place to look for math. A sunflower. Have you ever seen a sunflower? Its seeds are not just scattered around, they grow in a perfect spiral, a perfect Fibonacci pattern. And a snowflake? You might have heard they're all different. Yeah, they are all different. But they're mainly built out of hexagons, like little hexagons falling from the sky. And a snail cell, it would also have a spiral, and so would a galaxy spinning far, far away. So, from the smallest snails to the biggest galaxies, math is everywhere. But math isn't only in stars and flowers, math is also in our everyday lives. When my mom bakes a cake, she uses math to measure ingredients and make it just how I like it. And when my dad drives a car, he uses math to measure how much fuel there is, how far he can go, and how far he have to go. And when I build a Lego tower, I count, I measure, and I balance to make sure my tower doesn't fall down. But guess what else is cool? Math helps people create. Artists use geometry to make perfect shapes in their drawings. Architects use angles to make skyscrapers, bridges, and houses that won't fall down. And musicians use fractions to make good music. And many more professions use simple arithmetic or advanced math to complete their tasks. So, next time you see something resembling math, a rainbow, a painting, or even a pizza, stop and think. Maybe there's math hiding there, smiling at you, thinking we can't find it. Well then, let's be expert detectives and look for math clues and think where math could be hiding and where math couldn't be hiding. Math isn't just a subject we learn, math is a language. Nature speaks it, art speaks it, life speaks it, and now I speak it too. My name is Samay, and now I know math isn't only in my school, math is everywhere. Thank you.